Practice of clinical veterinary medicine is a hands-on endeavor. You have to get your hands on the animal to be able to know what's wrong with them. So if we can't train the students with their hands on the animals, that becomes a large problem for them as practitioners in the future. The main problem is space. In the best of times, we're space limited, and trying to keep everybody at safe distances has really proven significantly challenging.
You can learn and study in books and everything, but until you actually have a real animal reacting to what you do and showing you different mannerisms and things, it's not the same. And I think you get a lot more learning from a hands-on experience, because that's what you're going to be doing. You don't treat animals through a book.
I loved it. I mean, there's nothing like being able to take an ultrasound probe to a dog and see a bunch of little puppies growing in the abdomen. That's an awesome first experience for me to be able to do that.
It's been really helpful that the school has really put in so much effort for us, for our education, trying to graduate the best veterinarians that they can.
Has to be done because the students have to be able to feel comfortable and confident that when they go out there and get their first job and start working with their first patient, they have to feel that level of confidence and certainty that I can do this and I can do it well and I can do it successfully.